Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Face ID is not available. Try again later inside your iPhone. So how can you fix it? First of all, open the settings of your iPhone, scroll down and go inside this option called Face ID and passcode. Just open this option and enter your password. Once you enter your password, you will see all these settings. As you can see, use Face ID for. Just scroll down, and once you scroll down you will see this option called attention, require attention for Face ID. Make sure to turn it off. Once you turn it off, try to enable it and set your Face ID, and hopefully it will work. But if it still doesn't work, make sure to turn all these features off. iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, make sure to turn off all those features. Just close the settings and again turn them on, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. But let's say that you're still facing the issue. Go inside the general, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and just choose the first option, which is reset all settings. Once you click on reset all settings, after that it might take few minutes to restart and reset all the settings. And once you do that, hopefully your Face ID problem will be fixed. If still not, it might be a hardware problem, so make sure to fix it by that. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.